Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning. Going to head into town, grab some gas, and then hit Beartooth and through to the west entrance of Yellowstone. I'm excited. This morning, dark 30, I walked up here and used the showers. Even with my headlamp, I wasn't too sure what this was, but now that I see it in the daylight, I'm pretty sure it is the biggest pile of bear shit that I've ever seen. Check this out.
Welcome to Old Friends of New Roads, day 9. We just got finished up with breakfast. Having a good start to the morning. Eric's trying to track down a new micro SD card because his filled up. So we're going through Libby, Montana and taking the north route. Gonna end up at Coeur d'Alene Lake again today. We just expect beautiful riding and hopefully the smoke's not too bad. So looking forward to some fresh air.
Get out there and find me a beaver. That water looks inviting.
So I'm almost through Beartooth. There's only a couple more sharp turns. This is a nice little viewing area. They got restrooms and stuff. I'm gonna walk out to this viewpoint they got set up here in a minute. Take some photos. Give you a shot of that. Pretty nice facility here. There's a little chipmunk eating some leftovers. He'll be begging here in a minute. Wish I had something to feed him. It's beautiful country, like top of the world right here. Rock Creek Vista Point. Look at that. Crazy. Right off of the side of the highway. Super cool. Over there, center of camera, that's still snow. Kind of wild. There's some more. On top of the world. Crazy. So Clearwater Springs, we're gonna go down and check that out. I see some steam running off the water. Means it's a little bit hot. Looks like we got some ducks or swans out there. Some cool stuff. A super good day of riding. It cleared up, which is just amazing.
Oh, so nice.
Yeah,
That smoke was
so
awful.
thankful for that. Sorry about all the false starts at the end, or the strikeouts.
All right, part of the game.
Just, we ended up doing way more mileage than I wanted to do today.
But now we're here.
Now
Now we were at a camp, or Coeur d'Alene
camp.
or something
Camp
weird.
Coeur d'Alene.
Camp Coeur d'Alene.
It's all right, but we're fitting to go get in a
Canoe. Boat.
Yeah.
Old Friends,
Old
New
Friends,
Rivers.
New roads. Rivers.
Fuck that. It's a lake, folks. And we are on the sloop.
Well guys, it's Monday evening and I'm whooped. Showed up to camp at 3 o'clock. And I paid way too much, but I wanted a spot. I've been sitting in that chair right over there. for almost 2 hours. Just chilling, relaxing. I'm gonna throw a cot down and a sleeping bag here pretty soon and conk out. Ain't gonna take too long. I do want to do a cheers with my boys and young lady. Well guys, it's Monday evening and I'm just gonna do the toast. Hope you guys had a good ride, having a good evening. I'm gonna crash really soon, but here we are, two old friends and new roads. Chink. Love you guys.
No, you're making doubles. Okay. Do whatever you want. Oh, there's straws in that bag. Right? That common bag?
What's that?
You got straws, brother?
So do I.
It's true. How much I can tell you?
Yeah, we're going in the drink. 100%. These are tippy. Hey, Waddle. Yeah, Waddle on his own boat. This is nice.
Getting out is going to be interesting. Maybe we'll just sleep here tonight.
Turn left.
There you go. Good break.
Oh, geez.
Oh God. What are we doing?
Going back. We're trying to find turtles there.
Well, as day 9 comes to an end, feeling pretty good.
Feeling good.
Bittersweet for sure. Need some of that too. We ran into rocks.
Yeah, ran a rock. Ran over everything.
Just right in the middle of the lily pads. I can't move to hand Kate the toot. This is us. Anyway, we're gonna sign off here. Keep floating around. See ya. Say bye, Eric.
Later.